Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're jumping straight into the latest weekly crypto analysis from Vantage Plus. It just dropped yesterday, September 1st. Our goal, to unpack their market overview and the technicals for key cryptos. Basically, give you the key takeaways for September. Think of it as your shortcut to understanding what might be coming this month. Okay, let's get into it. So, Vantage Plus talks about this close tie between crypto and U.S. indices, like the Nasdaq. What's the deal there?
Yeah, it's a really strong point they make.
Very.
And it sets the stage because, well, last week ended pretty bearishly for most tokens. That kind of puts the recent upward momentum in doubt, doesn't it?
Okay.
And then there's this historical thing. Vantage Plus notes U.S. indices often dip a bit in September.
Right, profit-taking maybe after the summer?
Exactly. So if that happens again, crypto could see a correction too. It's linked.
But it's not all negative, right? They mentioned potential Fed interest rate cuts.
Correct. That's the other side of the coin. If the Fed cuts rates, that could be quite positive.
How so? More money flowing into riskier assets.
Well, precisely. It often gives altcoins a big push, and Vantage Plus is seeing signs of that already. They note Bitcoin inflows might be losing a little steam with capital moving more towards alts.
Interesting. Like an altcoin season, potentially.
Could be shaping up that way.
Yeah.
They specifically mentioned ETH, XRP, and SOL as ones to watch if the market picks up again.
Okay, ETH, XRP, SOL. Got it. So a break of recent highs there could be significant.
Yeah, that could be a signal. A potential entry point maybe if the momentum shifts back to the upside.
All right, let's dig into the specifics then. Starting with Bitcoin. Currently trading around USD 107,781.
So for BTC, yeah, last week was bearish. We saw those ETF outflows you mentioned, and that focus shifting to alts.
Yeah.
It creates headwinds for Bitcoin right now. Technically, if it keeps sliding below, say, USD 107,000, the next level to watch is around 105,000. That's a key support.
And if that doesn't hold?
Then you might be looking down towards the 50-day moving average, which is currently around USD 95,000.
Okay, 95K, that'd be a bigger drop. Let's look at Ethereum, trading at USD 4,320. It hit a new high in August, right?
I did, yeah. Very strong performance.
Yeah.
But it's correcting now. Vantage Plus thinks this correction could deepen, potentially down towards support around USD 3,800.
So 3,800 is the key zone for ETH then, to see if the uptrend continues.
Exactly. That's the battleground. Holds there, maybe another push higher, breaks down, could see more selling.
Makes sense. How about XRP, currently at USD 2.7818?
XRP has, well, it's fallen out of that recent strong uptrend.
Yeah, pulled back a bit.
But Vantage Plus points out XRP often goes sideways for a while before making big moves. That's its pattern sometimes.
To consolidation, maybe?
Possibly. But the current negative mood could push it lower first. If it breaks support at USD 2.60, then the next stop could be the 50-day moving average, down near USD 2.1700. Yeah. So 2.60 is important.
Got it. And finally, Solana SOL, trading at USD 200.78.
Yeah, Ethelwell's been a bit stuck, hasn't it? Kind of sideways, hitting some resistance. But there are positives. A rising trend line, the overall pattern. It still looks like it could try another run higher.
Okay, so potential for upside remains.
Definitely. Any dips might be seen as buying opportunities if you're bullish. Vantage Plus sees a potential target up around USD 260.000.
And downside protection.
You've got support near the 50-day moving average, that's about USD 165.000, or that rising trend line near USD 153.00. Those are the levels to watch below.
Okay, so wrapping this up. September looks like a potential tug of war. Historical headwinds versus potential Fed tailwinds.
That sums it up pretty well. And this feeds into that possible shift towards altcoins like ETH, XRP, and SOL.
Right.
Which really brings up a key point for you listening. Watching those specific support and resistance levels is crucial. They're more than just numbers. They're indicators of market sentiment, potential turning points.
So as you navigate the next few weeks, maybe think about how those big macro signals like Fed moves actually ripple down, how they affect capital flows between Bitcoin and alts, not just in theory, but on the charts for these specific tokens. Which force do you think wins out this month? Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.